In this video you will learn how to fix you can't send messages for 7 days on Instagram. Understand the restrictions. Instagram issues temporarily DM bans you when it detects spam-like behaviour, such as sending too many messages too quickly or violating community guidelines. Wait out the ban period. Most bans are temporarily, such as 1 day, 3 days or 7 days. The simplest solution is to wait until the restriction is automatically lifted. Avoid spammy behaviour. Stop sending mass DMs, links or repetitive messages, as they can trigger future bans. Report if it's a mistake. If you don't believe the restriction was appealed in error, go to Settings, Help, Report a problem, then explain your situation to Instagram. Log out then log back in, or even reinstall the app. Sometimes, refreshing your session time or reinstalling the app can clear temporary errors linked to your Instagram account. Switch to mobile data or a different device. In rare cases, bans are linked to your IP address or device. Switching networks or devices may allow limited messaging until your restriction ends. Now you know how to fix you cannot send messages for 1, 3 or 7 days on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.